Hello everyone, today we're doing another shop my stash video. You guys really enjoyed the last one, so I definitely want to make this more of like a regular occurrence on my channel because I've only done a few in the past, especially the ones where I show you what I am shopping for in my drawers. So without any further ado, I'm going to insert that footage now. I have my box. Primer, what is something that's a little bit out there? I mean, for some people this might be kind of scary and I haven't used this in a while, so let's do it. Foundation, maybe a compact. I feel like that's a little bit different, even though it's not really, but you know, let's go. Concealer. I mean, there's nothing really weird here, so maybe I just use one that I've not used in a while. I wonder if this is expired yet. I have a couple of shades. Like, there's nothing really weird, so I'll just take anything. I just grab a cream one. And once again, nothing really weird. I'm just gonna grab random ones. Now we can get into a little bit more of a fun territory. So a bright blush. I mean, this one's a solid like bright color, but I also have another, is it a Tom Ford one? Yeah, let's do this. And then for highlighter, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Alright, I'm going to use this again because that's a little bit weird and I want to try it again. And a brow mascara. I mean, nothing's really weird. Let's go for something cheap because I haven't used this in a bit. And then mascara once again. I mean, yeah, we're not really going weird here. Boom. Eyeliner, I'm going to wait a little. We'll see because I might use colour. It depends on the look we go for. Lashes. Ooh, might go with my little wispy ones. These are Whisper. I love them so much. This is my new set of drawers, aka where all of my new stuff is. And you know what? I might even go in with one of these real bright eyeshadows. Let's just go bold. And what else do we have that's a little bit out there? I just found this. Like, sorry, that is so bright. It needs to go on my face. I need to have contour and powder and stuff, but that's kind of just boring. So let's start here and we'll fill in the gaps as we go. The theme of today's video is bright. So I wanted to do bright makeup. I wanted to use some weird products, even though not many of these are really weird. But, you know, that was kind of like my inspo for what I was grabbing today regardless. So just products and formulas that I don't usually go for. Some stuff I haven't used in a while. So let's just jump straight in, shall we? So first of all, we have the First Light Priming Filter by Becca. And I picked this because it's weird. It's purple, but it doesn't look purple when you put it on. I'll show you. This is one of my favorite primers, and if you've been watching me for a while, you would have heard me raving about this in the past because it literally just brightens up your skin and hydrates your skin and just looks bomb, you guys. Bomb. Oh, it's still just as good as I remember. I need to like just finish this tube and buy a new one because this is getting old now. Oh, that's so nice. Right, so I'll probably go around my eyebrows with concealer and then do my eye makeup because since we're doing something bright, I don't know if I want to like tidy it up or anything like that. So yeah. Oh my gosh, look at my skin. I just love that primer so much. Oh, so much. Okay, I'll link it below if you want to try it for yourself. So now I'm going to go in with the CoverGirl True Blend It's Lit Concealer. This is in a little windy package. It's a little bit, you know, different from the conventional concealer. But I really like this one for a drugstore option. It's not too like runny or anything like that. It's got good coverage. And yeah, it's just nice. I like it. I've used it a few times in the past. I haven't used it in a little while though. It's actually really good to go around the eyebrows because it's got the little brush so you can kind of like do it nice and precise. I'm just going to dab over with my sponge just because I got a little bit too much on and then just blend it out. See, the coverage is quite nice. If you see on my eyelids, you know, it covers the veins pretty well. Alright, so I've primed my eyelids. I'll list the one I used down below. It's my P. Louise one. And now we're going to dive into eyeshadow. So I really wanted to try out the new Beauty Bay Sunset Horizons palette. I want to see if it's a similar consistency as the Mitchell palette that Beauty Bay did in collaboration with him, because that palette's one of my favorites. It's so bright and amazing and I've used it so many times on my channel, and I thought we would use some of the really crazy bright shades today. I'm thinking sunset vibes, like oranges and reds and everything, just because it's such a beautiful summery day. I'm feeling quite inspired, so I'm just gonna like wing it and just see where this goes. I'm gonna take a tulip crease brush and I'm going to start with the shade Zest, which is a super bright yellow. Lots of product gets picked up on the brush. I'm going to tap that through the first half of the crease. Yeah, this pigmentation's nice. I remember ages ago me and Sally tried out a Beauty Bay palette and we just weren't that impressed with the quality. I feel like they've really upped it a lot, which is really cool. I feel like it's ever so slightly chalky, but it might just be the shade because sometimes yellows can be a little bit like powdery. Now I'm going to go in with Dusk, which is like a really pale baby pink. I'm just using the same brush. And I'm going to pop that on the outer and kind of like close to the brow bone, and then I'm going to go in with the brighter reds and stuff. I'm kind of using this like my blendy shade so that it's a little bit easier to blend out the bright colours. I think I might take Sorbet. I love the look of that colour. It's like a muted bright orange. Wait, does that even make sense? Muted bright? That's like contradictory, but whatever. Is that the word? Contradicting that on the outer corner and through the outer crease. What a cool colour. I went a little bit too close to my brow bone, so I'm just using my eye primer. And then I'm going to go in with Flamingo, which is like a super hot pink red kind of vibe. I'm using the same brush again, and I'm just going to layer that a little bit deeper in the crease. I feel like the colours aren't as pigmented as the Mitchell palette for some reason, but they're a little bit easier to work with, I guess, because you can build them up a little bit more. Like, they're still pigmented by all means, but they just feel a little bit different from that palette. Going in with another one, I'm just going to take Reef, which is this cool orange, just to blend that into the other colour. Now my finger, I don't know, I'm just going to take the shade Mirage, which is this cool like bright yellow. It's not even like a gold really. I guess it is. It is a gold. But it's like very yellow. I'm just pressing that on the lid. I hate doing this with nails. I've got fresh nails, so I'm like, oh, they're a bit shorter, so maybe I can get in there, but kind of. It's incredible though. I love the, oh no, yeah, I've got that everywhere. I love the texture. I'm going to switch over to my little dual paddle brush thing that I used for my eye primer and just apply it a little bit nicer. I do have a bit of fallout from it though. Next I'm going to go in with Cocktail, which is a fiery, pinky, orangey kind of tone. I'm going to mix that in with the gold. See the fallout? It's probably better on your finger than a brush because it's like falling off my brush, but like I say, it goes everywhere if I use my fingers. They blend really nicely together. They're almost like a cream, metallic-y, creamy kind of texture. Very creamy. Overall, I still like the palette a lot. There's not really any like brow bone highlight shades. And I don't really love the bottom row of colours. Like, I still think that'd be handy if you're doing smoky liner and stuff like that, or a smoky eye. I mean, this colour's kind of cool, I guess, but it's not like my vibe. But I do love these three lines, so it's worth it for me. Alright, so I cleaned it up a little bit, and I think I'm going to do orange eyeliner because I just feel like it'll really set off those orange tones I've got kind of through the crease, because, you know, majority of this is definitely pink and gold and yellow. Let's have a look in with all of these things. I haven't used them yet. Here they are. Maybe one of these. So Glam Vice Retro Liner in the shade Chill Pill. And I'm just mixing it with some Inglot Duraline. Is that how you use these? Like, I don't even know. Oh, I'm happy with the colour I've chosen. It goes really well with that other colour like through here. Going with one more layer. Mascara and lashes, so I'm just going to do it before and after. So here is the before and after. They're stuck on a little bit funny. I don't know why. I don't know if it's the eyeliner or the glue I'm using or what, but they just don't want to really stick down very well, which is odd. But anyways, these are the lashes. Whisper by XO Beauty. One of my favorites ever. I love them. So fluffy and wispy and just stunning. So I completely effed up because I've got to put on concealer and I've done mascara on my bottom lashes. I don't know why I did that, but hey, yay. I'm just going to quickly freshen up my skin with some of the Tarte Stay Spray. Foundation. I'm so excited. This is where the magic happens. This is the satisfying part. So like I said, we are using the YSL Touche Éclat Le Cushion, and it is in the shade B50. I've got fresh baked tan on, so I'm thinking it should look alright. I'm just going to dab that all over. Look, that's literally almost perfect, I think. I love when that happens. This is a really beautiful, like, lightweight foundation that still gives a really nice coverage and glow. I'm just a huge fan of cushion foundations. I actually quite honestly don't know why I don't just use them every single day. The concealer works really nicely, as you can see, under the eyes too. And I'm going to use the Dragon Beauty setting powder underneath. I might actually use the peach one. I just want to try it because I used the yellow and I really liked. Wait, did I use the yellow? Oh no, I didn't. Okay. I thought I did. Wait, did I? Oh god, I'm just mixing them together now. So I'm going to have to add more mascara to my bottom lashes because I've completely covered the lashes in concealer and makeup. Before I set my face, I'm going to add some, I think this is discontinued honestly. I'm not even going to use it, and this is like going on really weird. I'm going to throw it in the bin. That was that Venice Beach bronze or whatever from Smashbox. I'm sure I used it in another video and it was expired. Oh, not expired. It was unavailable and I was trying to leave it in. So instead, let's go in with my Danessa Myricks light bronzer. I need to go get the medium one because I love this. And I feel like medium will be a really good color for me. Like at the moment, see how like this is very subtle. It's still nice, but I'm just tapping that on my cheeks. See, this makeup looks bomb right now. But we're about to add like hectic as lips and blush, so hopefully it continues to look cute. I'm just gonna set all of this in place using my Stay Naked The Fix you know, pressed powder. This is 40 WY, using a big powder brush. Just gonna tap that all over, and then I'm taking this huge brush. This is a domed fiber brush with my Mecca Max bronzer, and this is in the shade Sunlit Skin because this just gives like a really beautiful like warm kind of glow. And then time for blush. So I'm going to take a very like sheer kind of brush with the blush. This is in the shade Flush. Why does everything rhyme right now? I'm tripped out. Okay, this is a sheer blush brush. Not blush brush, it's actually a sheer powder brush, but anyway. I'm going to dust a little bit right kind of on the cheekbone, and this brush is essential for bright colored blushes, or if you want to use like a highlighter just all over your face to give a glowy finish. It will just like distribute a really light amount. I love this brush. Sheer powder brush. It also comes in the second vegan brush set too. All of our brushes are vegan, by the way. That's just what their brush set is called. Like, they all are. But see how that looks really nice? Like when it's just really sheer, I'm just really blending it out. I'm gonna put a little bit just on my nose. So nice. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then this is not gonna go. Like, it's pink. Danessa Myricks Beauty Illuminating Veil Liquid Highlighter in the shade Paradise. I'm just gonna commit, you guys. So I'm just putting some on my hand and then dabbing my sponge. We're just gonna do a small amount of this, alright? Nothing too crazy. My skin's quite glowy anyways. Such a cool product. I've been really loving these. You guys know I've been using a couple of the shades on my Instagram stories and in another video as well. They're so bomb, and they dry down as well. Like, they're so cool. Does not go with the look at all, but it's still cute. Alright, before I do my lips, I'm going to just finish off my eyebrows because I don't know if you can see, but see how I got a little bit of like primer in my eyebrows. So this is the DIY Brow by Tarte in the shade Medium Brown. So all I do is just do a really soft line. I've also got some like little bits here that are a bit empty, a bit bald. So I'm just filling in any gaps. And then I have the Wow Brow by e.l.f. I'm not sure what the shade is. I'm sorry, the sticker fell off like when I first got it. Putting more mascara on those bottom lashes. Might do a nude eyeliner too quickly. I didn't put any eyeshadow down there, but hey, I think it looks cute. Probably keeps it from looking a little bit too full on, if you know what I mean. You know what, just to tie in the highlighter, I'm actually going to take a little bit more of the liquid highlighter and I'm going to put it right on that inner corner with a little Q-tip. There you go, ties it right in there. Oh no, a bit too much. And then we have the Danessa Myricks Color Fix Neon Matte Face and Body Liquid Pigment. Face and body, does that include lips? I suppose. It's in the shade Jelly Bean. I should definitely be using some kind of lip pencil, but here we are. This is a XO Beauty lip brush. This reminds me of the OCC lip tars. It's giving me nostalgia. Probably should have like removed all the foundation off my lips first. To be fair, I could have just used this as a eyeliner too. That is so neon. I do feel like it's a bit too streaky for the lips, like slightly. You could get away with it by all means, like if you were going to a party or whatever and you just really wanted that color, that's fine. But I might just go over with a regular lipstick too, just to even it out a little bit. Like I said, I should have used a lip pencil. Maybe just Morange by MAC Throwback. This used to be my favorite lipstick. I'm gonna go in with the lip brush as well and just build up on top of that a little bit. Actually, I might just swipe it. Oh, how good. Look how look how white my teeth look with this color too. It's so nice. Oh my gosh. That's quite fun. And look, there's a little bit of that pink tone that kind of goes with the highlighter, I suppose. I don't know. It's quite cool. By the way, if you guys like these hair clips, they are XO Beauty. If they're already out, I'll list them down below. Absolutely obsessed. They hold your hair out of your way and they don't dent your hair like you can see, like other hair clips do. My hair's so oily right now as well because it's due for a wash, but I'm washing my hair tomorrow because it's my hens. So I wanted fresh hair for that. I'm on like 4-day hair right now. Do you guys like this makeup? I think it's so much fun. I love all the different colors. I love the skin. Oh, the foundation's bomb, and I actually really like that under eye powder. It really brightens and conceals and just doesn't crease too badly either. This eye's like got the eczema on it still, but look, that's as much creasing as I get, which is not bad because that's just kind of like my actual wrinkles. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up. Let me know if you want more Shop My Stash videos. And is there any themes you like? Any themes you want to see? I don't know. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!